Hello there, business owners. Welcome to another exciting edition of your favorite TV show, Day-to-Day Business Journey on Early Business TV.
Today, we will walk you through the exciting journey of turning your business idea into a reality. We will cover everything from brainstorming that winning concept to securing, funding, and launching your product or service. So, grab a notebook and get ready to embark on this incredible adventure. The first step is to find that brilliant idea. It could be something you're passionate about or a problem you've personally encountered. Ask yourself, what are people struggling with? What could be done better? Research current market trends to see where there might be needs or room for innovation. Step 2. Research your market. Understand your target audience. Who are you selling to? Analyze your competition. Who are your main competitors? Identify your unique selling proposition, USP. Once you have your idea, it is time to dive into market research. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service?
What are their needs, wants, and pain points? Analyze your competitor to see what they are doing well and identify any weaknesses you can exploit. What makes your business stand out? What's your use?
Step 3. Create a business plan. Your roadmap to success. Outline your business goals and strategies. Include sections on your market analysis, marketing plan, financial projections, and operational plan. A living document that can be adapted as your business grows. Your business plan is your blueprint for success. It outlines your business concept, target market, marketing strategy, financial projection, and operational plan. This document is crucial for securing funding and keeping you focused on your goals. Step 4. Choose your business structure. Sole proprietorship. Easiest to form, but owner has unlimited liability. Partnership. Shared ownership and management, but partners also have unlimited liability. Limited liability company. Protects owners' personal assets. Good for small businesses. Corporation. More complex structure. Best for larger businesses seeking investment. Choosing the right business structure is essential. It will affect your taxes, liability, and legal requirements. Step 5. Secure funding. Bootstrap using personal savings or credit cards. Seeking loans from banks or credit unions. Attract angel investors or venture capitalists. Crowdfunding platforms can raise capital from a large pool of investors.
Funding your business venture is excellent. You can bootstrap using personal savings or credit cards, but be cautious. Explore loans from banks or credit unions. Venture capitalists can provide significant profits, but don't expect 5-year potential. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to raise capital from a large pool of investors.
Step 6. Launch your business. Develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Build a strong online.
That was another exciting episode just for you future entrepreneurs. A step-by-step method on how to start a business from the mindset to making it happen. This was another exciting episode on Day-to-Day Business Journey on Early Business TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. See you next time.
We expose African businesses to the world and bring world business opportunities to Africa. LA Business TV. Unlock your business potential.